Welcome back to my daily report market videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Wednesday the 10th of July. Looking at cable, which has continued to break down really. The run of negative candles just has now broken below the 24.75 key support from December on a closing basis and breached on an intraday basis as well. So it really does suggest that cable is under some significant pressure. Momentum indicators across the board negatively configured. Now, I spoke in the morning report, I wrote in the morning report about how 30 is where the RSI sits at the moment. And is that a possible near-term turning point? It could be. It could be seen as a stretched point, because that's basically where we've seen these turning points, just near-term turning points, have come through, where the market has just reacted a little bit higher as the market's just got a little bit stretched. So we look on the hourly chart and look at whether the market is stretched, and you'd say, well, it's just negatively configured really. That trend lower, you've got the lower highs, lower lows, resistance being found at lower levels. You've got the resistance overhead at 2480 towards, which I suppose is the old 2475 key reaction low, towards again 25 figure area, again 2505 was that old key reaction low. So the resistance overhead is basically around these two key levels, the band between 2475 2505, and also if I zoom in here, you've got this downtrend as well, which comes in at 2505 today. So there is this overhead resistance area that the market would need to get through to engage a bit of a recovery. And if it did that, well, it could see a bit of a rebound. And then you're thinking about 26 figure, then 2650. But I'm not entirely sure that we're going to get any sort of decisive recovery at the moment. I think that you might get an intraday rebound that just unwinds the RSI a little bit, maybe one, maybe two sessions of recovery. But again, I don't really see how sterling is going to be decisively in recovery mode, given the fact that we have just closed at multi-year lows, dating back to Q2 2017, so more than 2 years of lows there. I think that selling into strength remains the way to play sterling dollar at the moment. So with that in mind, you've got Jerome Powell today speaking. He could certainly have a bit of a near-term impact on cable, but given the political upheaval that we continue to see, the Brexit, the hard no-deal Brexit pricing that the market is continuing to put on sterling, I think rallies have to be seen as a chance to sell. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. You can subscribe to my videos and also sign up to our webinars on the website, and I will speak to you later.